Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone who watched this video. How are you today? I hope you guys stay healthy and keep safe from for coronavirus and another virus too, especially in this pandemic and this situation. So today is not my personal video, but this is from my group assignment or tasks for our class. Okay, so we are from group 2. Want to share you an tutorial how to make a game education from platform online platform. Yeah, we use Educandy.com. Okay, so the members of group 2 is Pricilla, Cecil, Leander, Rima Chantika, Annisa, Nuansa, Indah, Naulia Nurfadilah, Agest, kholifasari, that's me, and Pelangi, Auralea, Andalsya. Okay, so let's start it. The first, you need to open your browser. I'm using Mozilla Firefox, and we search about educandy.com. Okay, wait for a minute. I was ready, so I'm using a Sense app. But if you not register before, you can click the first creative what is there in the left button. Okay, and I'm enter my account. Okay, for the next steps, my friends will continue the discussion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name's Annisa Nuansa Indah. My NPM is 201912500106 from R4B class. Now, I will explain you the third step and the fourth step to make education game with educandy.com. For the third step, as there are two options to create your education games. There are matching pairs and quiz question. So we are just going to go with quiz question. Click that, and then you can fill the blank section on your activity name as you want, and also you can fill the section activity subject. After that, you can click create to be able to create your question.
My name is Rima Chantika. My NPM 201912500100. I'm from group 2 and I'm from class R4B. I would like to continue tutorial how to make an education game with educandy.com. The fifth and the sixth tutorial. Let's check it out. The fifth tutorial is after that you will see on your screen the edit quiz section. In this page you can create your question with text, picture or voice. Of course, don't forget to type the option of an answer you can see in the picture. And the sixth tutorial is after you fill up the blank space with question, answer and alternative, you can click add question. You also can edit the question and update it if you want to change something from that.
Hello guys, my name is Naulia Nurfadilah. My NPM 201912500141. Then you go back to your activity, scroll down and find the activity section. You can play, edit or share the link to your student. The next kind of game that you can create is matching pairs. You click matching pairs and the same step as you create the quiz. You also have to type the subject, etc.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Pelangi Auralea Andalsya and my NPM is 2019-12-500-151. 9 is the same steps as you create some question for quiz. In this matching pairs, at least you have to make for question formatting page. Then you will have 4 choices when your student play the game. Then go back to your activist page. Then try to click share from one of your games. Then you're going to have the link for your games and the game code. You can copy the link or the game code and share it to your student. So your student have to click the link or type code of the game to be able to play the games.
Hi, I'm Pricilla, and I'm going to explain the last 2 steps that you have to do to be able to finish your education game. So, after your student can access the page of your game, after they have the link or the code game, they can choose the type of game too. Like on this picture, there is multiple choices, match up, crosswords, and memory. So the question will be the same, but the type of game will be different and it depends on your student choices. Next step is finally your game is ready to play. So this is the example when your student play your education game. So in this game there is score, times and sounds. So it's really fun to play. And in the other hand, your student can improve their skills in grammatical function, or we can call it in structure. And in the end of this video, I would like to say that educational games, it's a fun way to improve your student skills. So with educational games, we can improve our skills or your student skills, and it really helps people to understand concepts and learn domain knowledge and develop problem solving skills as they play games. So educandy.com is really an amazing app. You can play it free. You don't have to pay it, so it's really fun and it's really useful. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all stay healthy and stay safe, and see you on the next video. Bye.